Almost there. What a perfect day for the park. Run, run, run. Tightrope. Oh. I fell. I found a puppy. Can you shake hands? Good. Good. Well done. You're so smart. Oh, you look thirsty. Here is some clean water. Drink slowly. Woof, woof. That's it. Good puppy.
Oh, you must be very hungry. I have some food for you. Here you go. Woof, woof. Good puppy.
Where is your family? Woof. Have you seen this puppy? No, I haven't. Come here, little puppy. Woof, woof. Good job. Do you want to play with me? Woof. Let's play together. Look, I have a ball. Ready? Go and catch it. Woof, woof. Great job. Bring it back. Woof. Good boy. Look at these flowers. They are beautiful. Do you like them? Woof. Me too. Is this your puppy?
No, but I hope you find its family.
Can you run fast? Woof, woof. Come on, run with me. Woof. Wow, you are so fast. Woof, woof.
Look, butterflies. Can you catch one?
Woof, woof.
Ha ha! Nice try.
Woof, woof. Are you tired? Woof. Let's rest here. Woof. You are my good friend. Woof. I'm happy you're here. You're a good friend. I like walking with you. Are you happy? Woof. I'm happy too. Sit down. Very good. You learned so fast. I'm proud of you. Let's find your family. Don't worry. I'll stay with you. Everything will be okay. Have you seen this puppy? No, I haven't. Woof. Buddy, where are you?
Don't worry. We will find him.
What's wrong? Woof, woof, woof. What's wrong? Did you hear something? Let's go and see. Buddy. I missed you so much. I'm happy you found your puppy. Thank you for helping us. You're welcome. Goodbye, buddy. Take care. See you again.